Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to turn just a simple little bowl. I've got a piece of little red oak crotch. I'm going to try to do something with. Just a cut off of another piece I had. We're going to try to do a little bowl out of it, try to get it round. I think it'll have some pretty cool characters in it from this crotch coming out. But probably gonna have this will actually be the bottom. So I'm gonna mount my faceplate on here. I've got to chisel some of this off to get my faceplate on. To get the faceplate on it, then get the bottom shaped, and then get the rounding on it. So yeah, it's kind of got a crack. It's not going to be a live edge or anything. All the bark will be coming off. It's got a crack that runs in right through here. It may be on the rim of the bowl. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. I like all the old rustic characteristics in the wood, so we'll get my faceplate on, get it mounted up, and we'll come back and get the turning on this thing. Let's get it mounted up and get turning. Yeah. So that whole piece broke out of there. Couldn't really see the crack under all that bark. So, no, there's something else with this, but it's kind of too small, so I think we'll throw that in the burn pile. But oh well. So much for that crotch bowl. And that's just going to be open. There's no way to turn that. So. Okay, we'll work on something else. Anyway, live and learn. All right. Thank you guys for watching this failed bowl.